Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how I got this super cute hairstyle that's perfect for the summertime and what products I use that got my hair feeling so soft, moisturized, and just everything. So stay tuned. Today is wash day, and thanks to Kitsch Products for sponsoring this video and sending me some amazing products that I'm going to use today. So before I go ahead and wash my hair, I'm just going to spray my hair down with some water and take this Kitsch Strengthening Hair and Scalp Oil made with rosemary and biotin and apply that all throughout my scalp and on the lengths of my hair. And as you can see, I'm just massaging that into my scalp, and this oil makes my hair feel so soft, which really helps with my detangling process. And you guys know I love anything with rosemary in it. Like, rosemary really grows my hair so much, so I really love this oil. So I'm just applying that all throughout my hair and twisting my hair up into sections, and then we're going to go ahead and wash. So before I wash my hair, I want to make sure my hair is fully saturated in lukewarm water, and then I'm going to go ahead and shampoo. Now guys, I was so curious to use these shampoo and conditioner bars from Kitsch, but look how cute this little shower caddy is, so you can hang up your shampoo and conditioner bars. But let's go ahead and hop right into this. So I'm going to use this rice water protein solid strengthening shampoo. And guys, their bars are so cute and the smell is so perfect. And it comes with like this little shampoo beauty bag. It's like a little pouch you could go ahead and put your shampoo bar in. That way you can have a little better control over the shampoo when you're using it. I just like to put it on my wrist and get a good lather. And I do love that their products lather very well. And I'm just going to rub that all into my hair. And then what's also amazing about this little bag is you could just hang it up in your shower when you're done. So I'm going to go ahead and take this scalp exfoliator, and I love to exfoliate my scalp, especially when I shampoo. It just helps lift up any extra dirt, debris, dandruff or anything that's sitting on your scalp. And it also exfoliates the scalp by penetrating blood flow and helping aid in hair growth. So I just think that's so amazing. And this shampoo made my hair feel so soft and moisturized. Like, it didn't strip my hair like most shampoos do. So now I'm going to take this rice water protein strengthening solid conditioner. And this is also just so cute. I'm so in love with this idea of using a bar as your shampoo and conditioner. And the conditioner also came with a cute little pouch. And I just love that Kitsch is so eco-friendly, because having a shampoo and conditioner as a bar rather than in a bottle eliminates the use of extra unneeded plastic. And so now when I condition my hair, I just like to work my hair in sections. So I took this cute little claw clip just to pin the rest of my hair up while I work in sections. And guys, when I tell you this conditioner had my hair feeling so soft and silky, it was unreal. So I condition each section, and I'm just going to go ahead and take that clip and clip my hair back up and put a little deep condition shower cap on and let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes while I shower and do everything I need to do. So it's about 10 minutes later, and I'm just going to go ahead and rinse that conditioner out my hair. And when I do my final rinse, I always use freezing cold water, and I was not prepared, but using freezing cold water as your final rinse helps eliminate any frizz and closes the hair shaft, giving the hair a more shinier and smoother appearance. So now I'm going to dry my hair with this really cute Kitsch microfiber towel, and I cannot stress the importance of using a microfiber towel to dry your hair, guys. And if you don't have one, you can always use a regular t-shirt. And really quick, guys, I just want to mention that I do have a discount code for you guys to use. That is Majik Mone't. I'll have it right here on the screen for you, and that is 25% off site-wide. I will also have this discount code down below in the description box, or you could just go ahead and subscribe to Kitsch for their shampoo and conditioner bars for an even better discount. And not to mention, Kitsch also ships to over 90 countries. So 9 times out of 10, no matter where you are in this world, you can get yourself some Kitsch products, because their products are top tier, like so good. And shout out to Kitsch for sponsoring this video. I'm so obsessed with their products, y'all. But let's hop right back into this. So now that my makeup is done, I'm going to go ahead and style my hair. And I'm just going to go back in with that Hair and Scalp Rosemary Biotin Oil and apply that all throughout my scalp and use the scalp exfoliator to really penetrate that oil into my scalp, because rosemary is really amazing for the scalp and regrowing hair. And biotin is also great for strengthening the hair. So as you can see, I'm applying that to the scalp and to the lengths of my hair. And this left my hair feeling so soft and so moisturized and just making my hair so much more manageable and easier to like comb through. So as you can see, I'm just parting my hair right where the tip of my ear is. And from the tip of my ear, I just part up. And this is how I get the best precise part for a half up, half down. So I'm just putting the back section up into a bun, and we're going to come back to that later. And in this front section, I'm going to go ahead and create 5 sections in the front, and you'll see what I mean. I can show you better than I can explain it. It's just 5 sections in the front, as if you were doing like a half up, half down style. So from each section, I'm going to just split that in half and make like a square. It's so simple, guys. This is so easy to do. And then I'm just going to take a little rubber band and rubber band that part up. And then once this front square is like rubber band up, I'm just going to tighten it and take that hair and twist it. And I like to twist it all the way to the ends, so when I put that piece into the second square, it doesn't unravel, and it gives it a more cleaner look when you twist it also. And so then I'm just going to take a rubber band and put those 2 squares together and rubber band them up, and do that to each section. And guys, I think this hairstyle is just so cute and perfect for the summertime. It's just giving like summer vibes, I don't know. But once I have all of those sections rubber band up, I'm just going to take some water and damp my hair a little bit, because it did dry throughout this process. And I just took a little curling mousse and just applied a little bit to the lengths of my hair. And I'm just taking this brush and defining my curls. And guys, this hairstyle was so easy to do, and thanks to these SCH hair products, because that made this process so much easier. The rice water protein that's in the shampoo and conditioner made my hair feel so soft and healthy and had it looking so shiny, because rice water protein is literally known for repairing damaged hair, making the hair look healthier and softer. So I do absolutely love that they put that ingredient in a shampoo and conditioner. And they also have like a castor oil shampoo and conditioner that I have that I also cannot wait to try. So I'm going to go ahead and let my hair dry, and I will be back. So now that my hair is fully dry, and I did let my hair air dry today, I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit more of that Scalp and Hair Rosemary Biotin Oil and just rub that in my hands and start to separate my curls. When my hair is wet and it dries, my curls tend to like lock in together. So to create a little more volume without creating any frizz, I'm just going to go ahead and fluff my hair and tilt my head upside down and start to separate my curls from my scalp and give my hair the volume. You know, we like big hair, and just fluff those curls out a little bit. And because I put a little oil on my hands, that also helps with reducing any frizz when I do this fluffing process. But I absolutely love my results from using these SCH hair products. And if you like it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and stay tuned for my next upload. Mwah.